I just got these tulip baking cups, and I think that they come with different labels on them, but they are basically 3 colors. They're all paper, and they're packaged very well to keep them in shape. They have this little thing at the top, this little piece of cardboard. It fits in there to keep everything in one piece as they're being shipped. Come in 3 colors. There are 200 of them in each package, so that's really good. And it's basically just a sheet. It's a little piece of parchment paper that is a square that's been folded up to be a cupcake cup. So I'm going to go make some muffins with these now, and we'll see how they do. These came out really well, and I baked these. These are chocolate chip muffins. I baked them at 400 degrees, and the paper didn't, I think this one maybe? No, the paper didn't change color. I'm looking at this thinking that they changed color, but I think it's only because it's up against this one. But they hold their color, they bake well. When I took them out of the pan, I just grabbed up 2 little pieces like that and pulled it straight up. They come right out. These are really cute and they're nice. It gives you a little bit of an upscale feel for your muffins or your cupcakes. If I was going to decorate these, if these were cupcakes, I would decorate them. I could just do them inside here. And the icing would pretty much stay inside this. This would still be higher than the icing. So that's a good look. I really like these. They worked well. And I am going to go eat some muffins because these look really good.